can't leave. I can't leave. I can't leave.
Madam, I really want peace to be unto this family. I have returned your husband's property.
Thank you so much.
Let there be peace in this home. He's remaining in the fridge. He's not around.
Yes.
You need to call him to come and confirm his properties back.
Okay.
Please.
Let me
I don't want problem to happen. I don't want any problem in this home. Please.
Thank you, sir.
I'm coming. Let me go for the fridge.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I would just
My happiness is that I have brought the fridge back. There is no problem. We are going to ask God for forgiveness. Okay?
Yes.
There is no
Thank
problem.
you, sir.
What is happening here?
Sir, you're
Pastor.
welcome back. Like I told you that we are returning the property.
Where's my television?
Look at it now. I've brought it. Look at your
Okay,
television.
okay, this is my phone.